Hi, I'm Stephanie from Crosscut Sewing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a seam ripper safely. There are a few different ways to do this, and this is something that every sewer will need to do at some point. Our machine stitchers are really easy to take out, so we can always grab one of these and just have a do-over. There are a few different ways to do this. You can use a seam ripper like this and try to just rip out the seam. And this little ball here is supposed to help to not rip your fabric. I don't like to teach this method, especially to young students or beginners, because you are more likely to either hurt yourself or rip a hole in your fabric. So a safer way to do this is just to use the point of the seam ripper and pop out every few stitches. So just slide that right under your stitch and pop it out. And you don't have to do every stitch, just every few stitches. And if you do that, let's get one over here, then you can take your seam right out. And you might have to do a little bit of extra work if you backstitched really well, but otherwise it's pretty easy to take out. Again, we all have to do this at some point. It's just a part of sewing. It's worth it to take a few minutes to fix something for a project that you're going to have for a long time. So thanks for watching and happy sewing.